Someone asked me to model the first one, so I figured help you guys out. So I go into Excel, I go into New, Loan, and now I'm going to do Loan. The second one I used. There are my kids. We were looking for them. All right, so first of all, for the first house, you're buying a $200,000 house. So 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, your interest rate is 7%, so put that in there. The loan period in years, it says a 30-year mortgage. All right, you're paying 12 months. Now here, optional extra payment, you keep it blank, okay? So now if I look at this house, I'm gonna be spending $279,000 in interest, and I bought the house for $200,000. So my total price for this house would be $479,017.80, adding those two up. So now they want to know, how much would you save if you spent $400 additional each payment? So it says extra payment options, which means I'm going to be paying $400 extra each time. Now look what it does to the price. Now my interest is $133,626. So I'm going to be saving, $140,000, because this price stays the same, but this price is going to be dropped significantly. All right, so that's option one. All right, now paying additional $2,000 a year. So if I go to this spot again, $2,000 a year would be 2,000 divided by 12, because you make 12 payments. And now the price is $188 plus this. So if I was paying $2,000 extra a year, I would be paying $388,832 for this house. All right. And now the last option, option C, you're doing no additional payments, but you're putting an additional $20,000 down. So instead of your loan amount being $200,000, your loan amount's going to be $180,000. So now if you look, here's the total price there. I'm gonna have to add these two numbers, and I'll give you your total amount. So that's how you figure out which one's the best option. You add these two numbers for each one that you do, and you see which one's the cheapest, and that would be your best option. So for this house, for the first one, you're gonna do $200,000 there, and you just leave it and you add those two numbers, and that's what you're gonna pay for the total if you don't do anything extra. Then for part A, I put 400 in here, and then you add these two numbers here, and that's how much money you're gonna pay, and see how much you save. And then for part B, you take 2,000 here and divide it by 12, and then you add those two numbers, and that's how much money you would pay. So you see which one's cheaper. And then the last one is what I just did. You put 180 there, you take everything out there, and then you add these two numbers, and you see which one is the cheapest, is the best, the most cost-saving way. So do each one, get your total price for each one. So your first start was just 200,000 in this, and then do each one, and then see which one's the cheapest, and then just write it on Excel. You don't have to send me this. All I want is just the answers. So you can write it on a piece of paper, or you can type it up. I don't care. All right, but just show me your answers. All right, I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.